Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get guys only on OmeTV. So normally when you press start on OmeTV, you'll get a mix of both guys and girls. But in this video, I'll show you how to change that and get just guys. So let's get started. So first open up a new tab and search for video chat extension. Click on the first link that says video chat extension IP locator for Omega. And once you're on the Chrome Web Store page, click Add to Chrome. Then tap Add Extension. And then after that, a new tab. Then after that, a new tab will open. And in that tab, click on Open in Picture in a new tab. And then click Picture in Picture again. Now go back to your OmeTV tab. So in the video chat extension, Picture in Picture tab, go to Settings and scroll down. And then you see a feature called gender recognition. So in here, you can choose either skip to men or skip to women. So this option is usually found just above the blacklist section. So keep in mind, this feature might not be available anymore because some users say it was removed. But if you'll see it, just tap skip to women and extension will automatically skip girls. So you only see guys on your screen. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.